Use a combination of precise cuts, coping for inside corners, and adhesive with activator to create gap-free baseboard joints that stay flush over time. Start by measuring and marking each board carefully and cut to a snug but not tight fit. For outside corners, use a 35-degree miter on each board for a clean joint and dry fit both pieces before applying any adhesive so you can fine-tune the angles. For inside corners, cope one board by cutting the profile on the end and removing the waste behind the profile so the coped face slides tightly against the other piece. That removes cumulative angle errors and wood movement issues. Always file the coping cut with a rasp or coarse file to smooth the contact surfaces so the joint seats along the full profile rather than at a single high point. Use a good adhesive system by putting glue on one mating face and a small amount of activator on the other, then press together. The activator accelerates bonding and reduces squeeze-out time so you can clamp or brad nail while the joint sets. Finish by checking for gaps, then touch up with wood filler sparingly and sand smooth so the joint is invisible after painting. The three most common problems are gaps at the corner, joint separation over time, and uneven seating that causes visible high spots. Gaps at the corner usually come from inaccurate cutting or not coping inside corners, so remeasure, recut, or cope the offending piece and refit until the joint is full contact. Joint separation over time often results from wood movement or relying only on nails, so use adhesive with activator plus a few brad nails or clamps to lock the pieces while the bond cures. Uneven seating is usually caused by rough or unfiled coping cuts and small peaks on cut ends, so file and rasp mating surfaces until they lay flat and then reattach. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse profiles so they can compare skills and past work relevant to trim and finish projects. We also help contractors get clients and join our discussion community where we exchange techniques, ask questions, and share photos and solutions.